The Grand Egyptian Museum is not just a repository for ancient artifacts, but a vibrant educational hub designed to engage, inspire, and educate visitors of all ages. From interactive exhibits to hands-on workshops, the museum's mission is to bring the rich history of Egypt to life for everyone, from young students to seasoned scholars. One of the highlights of the GEM is the Children's Museum, a space dedicated to making ancient history exciting and understandable for the youngest visitors. Here, children can learn about Egyptian history through play, with interactive exhibits that allow them to dress up as pharaohs, explore miniature pyramids, and even create their own hieroglyphic messages. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, the GEM offers virtual reality experiences that transport visitors back in time. Through these immersive experiences, you can explore ancient Egyptian temples as they once stood, interact with pharaohs, and witness the construction of the pyramids, all from the comfort of the museum. The museum also offers a variety of workshops where visitors can dive deeper into specific aspects of Egyptian culture and history. Whether it's learning the art of hieroglyphic writing, understanding ancient Egyptian fashion, or participating in pottery reconstruction, these workshops provide a hands-on approach to history that is both educational and fun. Beyond its exhibits, the GEM is also a center for research and conservation, where experts from around the world come to study and preserve Egypt's cultural heritage. Through educational programs, students and scholars have the opportunity to work alongside these experts, gaining unique insights and contributing to ongoing research that helps us better understand and protect these ancient treasures. The educational journey at the Grand Egyptian Museum is just beginning. With plans for expanded educational programs, outreach initiatives, and new interactive exhibits, the GEM is committed to ensuring that the knowledge and wisdom of ancient Egypt continue to inspire future generations. As the museum grows, so too will its role as a global leader in historical education and cultural preservation.